Hi guys. So today I'm going to be sharing the do's and don'ts of complimenting. First of all, what are compliments? What is a compliment? A compliment is an expression of affection, respect, admiration, or esteem. So, what should I do when I want to achieve a good compliment? Number one, please say it as soon as you see it. It makes more sense. It's more realistic. Like you see me in the morning and you compliment me in the morning than seeing me in the morning and complimenting me in the evening. The whole day is gone. I didn't even feel it. I didn't enjoy it. And truthfully, I'll think you're just saying it because you need a favor or something. It's not believable. Two, please avoid asking for the sauce. If it's a dress, lipstick, makeup, shoe, bag, whatever it is, don't ask for the please don't ask for the price or the sauce. Just allow the person enjoy that day. If you must ask because probably you genuinely want to purchase it, then ask maybe the next day or a week later. But for that day, let the person just enjoy looking good and feeling good without going through the discomfort of disclosing the price. Sincerely, I feel most people that ask for the price, especially immediately, just want to size me and see how much I buy my things or where I buy my kind of things or things, stuff like that. So avoid that. Please don't ask immediately. That's if you must. But if you mustn't, if you're not interested, please don't ask. Just compliment and let the person enjoy it, because a lot of people are not comfortable disclosing the price. If it's really cheap, they won't want to say it. For some don't mind though, but if it's really cheap, some won't want to say it. And some, if it's way expensive, it just makes them feel very uncomfortable, like saying I. And if it's expensive, it makes some feel very uncomfortable disclosing that they spent that much on that item. So please avoid that. Number three, please and please avoid commenting on people's bodies. You can compliment somebody without commenting on the person's body. A good example is, this your dress is lovely, it's really covered your stomach today. That's very unnecessary. This your dress is lovely, it looks good on you, fine. If you must add something like that, there are ways you say it that sounds better. To me, I feel you should not, but if you must, you can say something like, it sits perfectly on you, stuff like that. But it's really unnecessary. Just say it's beautiful, because that's the aim. You're trying to make the person know that the dress is beautiful. Why add the fact that it covers the person's stomach or it covers the person's legs or stuff like that? You get my point. Number four, please and please avoid compliments that belittles or discredits or insults others. If you're complimenting somebody, let's say you're complimenting a dark-skinned girl, you can say, oh my god, your skin is so nice, I like the complexion, rather than, for a dark person you're really fine. No, you get my point? Are you trying to say all other dark people are not fine? You think you're saying it to make this person feel better, but truthfully, the person feels bad because that person is dark. Or maybe you say, for a fat person, your shape is good, or it's not that bad. What are you trying to say? That other fat people have bad shapes? In fact, any compliment that you would say that discredits another person or makes another person feels less, to me, is not even a compliment again. It's an insult. Or you want to say, for a black person, you articulate, so other black people are not. So when you say compliments like that, when you say things like that, are you trying to say black people are not articulate? Meanwhile, this person you're complimenting is black, probably has a group of friends that are black, family is black. You get my point? It's also an insult to the person you feel you're complimenting. Please avoid anything like that. That's not even a compliment you will ask me. Number five, be more specific with your compliments. Oh my god, you're such a nice person. Why? You're a nice person because you always volunteer to help clean, because you always volunteer to help carry something. Like, specify your compliment so that the person knows where to improve and what to maintain. Even when you're complimenting people physically, be specific. You're so beautiful because you always smile. That way you're encouraging the person to smile more. But you say you're so beautiful and beautiful and you leave it at that. and you leave it at that, the person will know what exactly makes them beautiful in your eyes. So I'm going to round up now. Please, if you have any tips or any do's and don'ts for complimenting that I've not mentioned, feel free to mention it in the comment section. Let's learn from each other. Thank you, guys. And remember that when it comes to complimenting, how you say it is as good as what you say. If you're giving a compliment, like, be nice about it. Be happy about giving it to the person. Go with a smile. Let it be genuine. Let it feel real. You don't give people compliments with an attitude. Like, it counters everything. Makes people even feel uncomfortable. Just my own thoughts, though. Like, the way you say it goes a long way in delivering the message you're trying to send to the person. So, bye, people.